How to lock screen while watching YouTube videos. So if this video helped you, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be notified if there are new uploads in this channel. So how to lock screen YouTube when you are watching. So first, let us go to our settings in our phone. Once you're in settings, just scroll down and go to the security option. Once you're in the security option, what we would look for is the screen pinning option. As you can see here, that screen pinning is off. So just simply turn on screen pinning. So right now what we would do is go to our YouTube. So we are here on our YouTube account. So what if you want to pin your YouTube account? So the first step is to click the multitasking button and click the menu up here and click on pin. So this will pin your YouTube app on your phone, and this will prevent you from going out of the apps, and it will help you to focus on the thing that you are watching on YouTube. And if you want to go out of the app, you can click on the multitasking button and the back button simultaneously. So thank you for watching.